Benefits gas furnaces have over electric. Gas furnaces offer several advantages over electric furnaces, including lower operating costs. In many regions, natural gas is cheaper than electricity, resulting in lower heating bills for homes equipped with gas furnaces. Faster heating. Gas furnaces typically heat a home more quickly than electric furnaces, making them ideal for colder climates or larger spaces. High efficiency. Gas furnaces can achieve high efficiency ratings, often exceeding 90%, which means they convert a higher percentage of the energy they consume into heat compared to electric furnaces. Consistent heat output. Gas furnaces provide a consistent heat output regardless of outdoor temperatures, ensuring reliable comfort even during extreme cold spells. Independence from power grid. Gas furnaces do not rely on electricity to operate, except for some components like the blower motor. This means they can still provide heat during power outages, unlike electric furnaces which require a functioning electrical grid. Longevity. Gas furnaces tend to have a longer lifespan than electric furnaces when properly maintained, potentially lasting 15–30 years or more. Environmental impact. While natural gas is a fossil fuel and produces carbon emissions when burned, modern gas furnaces can be more environmentally friendly than electric furnaces in regions where electricity is generated primarily from fossil fuels. Zoning capabilities. Gas furnaces can be easily integrated with zoning systems, allowing different areas of the home to be heated independently for greater energy efficiency and customized comfort. It's important to note that the advantages of gas furnaces may vary depending on factors such as local energy prices, climate, and the efficiency of the specific furnace model. Additionally, considerations regarding safety, installation costs, and availability of natural gas infrastructure should also be taken into account when choosing between gas and electric heating systems.